So today I'll teach you how to mod Stellar Blade. It is ridiculously easy. So the first step is to go to something like nexusmods.com, make an account, which is absolutely free, pick the mod that you want, and download the mod. Once you have the mod downloaded, then you need to do the following. You're going to want to find your game, Stellar Blade. Right-click it in Steam, go over to Manage, and browse local files. Okay, so once you browse local files, it'll pull up. Now, once you're inside of local files, you're going to look for SB. Click on SB, then click on Content, then click on Packs. And this is where you want to create a folder called tilde mods. Now, what I like to do is press Control-Shift-N. If you don't know how to do that, you can just press New as well in the top left-hand corner. But again, Control-Shift-N will give you a new folder. Rename it by pressing the Shift key and put the tilde sign and then Mods. Then open up that folder. Once in this folder, everything you download on Nexus Mods goes in here. So if you want to download makeup packs or hair or costumes, whatever it is, you can put it in here. And that is how you do it. Now, I like to go a step above and have a folder on my desktop that I name a mods directory. And what I do with that mods directory is quite literally in every instance of doing mods, I will have all of my mods for that particular game because you can't use them all at once. I have them all collected in the mods directory folder. And then I just delete and swap out as I need to. Always make a copy of anything you're transporting over. So I'll give you an example. I want to move over, let's say, the crimson red hair. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're not going to cut it. We're going to copy it. So we're going to copy it. Then we're going to go over into our game, which is the tilde mods folder, and we're just going to paste it in the game. Literally that simple. Now just be obviously aware that you don't have any other hair mods, as that can cause what's called a conflict, where the files won't load or the game will crash or something stupid like that, because obviously you can't have it all in the same thing. Then you go over into your game and then you click on Stellar Blade and you wait for it to launch, and then it's going to do its magic. So here you see it's loading up slowly. And again, I want to show you a start to finish with this. I'll lower my camera's ISO because it's just going crazy right now. But you'll see that from start to finish, this is like a really, really easy thing. Now, the beautiful thing about this method that I'm teaching you, it works with literally any mod that you want to download off of Nexus Mod. This is how you download costumes, outfits, hair, eyes, anything. It's literally a one-size-fits-all. So you're not just learning how to mod one thing, it's literally everything. All right, and that's it. We've got the hair we want in the game now. Now we go a step further. We go down to the location where they said the hair would be, and we make sure that it's equipped, and it is, and you can clearly see that it is. So now we can do fun things like change the color of the hair to the advertised color. I want the crimson red, so we have the crimson red, and ta-da! Now your character is rocking the crimson red look. Pretty sweet. That's literally all you do. If you like this video, follow for more.